Welcome to the channel. Just imagine an object traveling through deep space beyond our solar system and sending back data from billions of kilometers away. Okay, and runs on less memory than a single Word document. Yes, we are talking about Voyager, NASA's interstellar hero. They are actually twins, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, and they were launched in the year 1977, almost 47 years ago. But Voyager 2 was launched first. The date of launch was August 20, 1977. And later on, Voyager 1 was sent. The date was September 5, 1977. So you can see the reverse order. Actually, those numbers 1 and 2 do not refer to the launch order. They actually refer to mission order. Yes, the speed of Voyager 1 was more than Voyager 2. So, though it was sent later, still Voyager 1 reached Jupiter and Saturn earlier. So this is the reason behind this numbering, okay. Voyager 2 was sent first and then Voyager 1 was sent or launched. Means here the numbers representing mission order. Anyway, you know Voyager, this spacecraft, runs only on 69 KB memory. 69 KB. If you consider an average Microsoft Word document with a couple of images, then it can easily crosses 100 KB, which is more than 69 KB. So such a less memory is being used by that spacecraft. Okay, this is quite shocking. And one more thing is that which language is being used by that spacecraft? The language is FORTRAN. Not exactly FORTRAN. FORTRAN was invented in the 1950s. FORTRAN was invented. But FORTRAN that is being used by the ground systems, and for onboard code it is assembly language, though for the limited hardware. Anyway, this is assembly language. So efficiently NASA used their code. And you know what is the purpose? What is the mission purpose? Purpose is to explore the outer planets. So already 47 years has been elapsed. Okay. So still they are performing very well, only on 69 KB memory. That is the shocking thing here in this video. Okay. And what? So you can see, and if you compare your phone's memory, then you should know that your phone has at least 4 to 16 million times more memory than that spacecraft Voyager. Yes, 4 to 16 million times more memory. That means memory doesn't matter here, whether you are using kilobytes or gigabytes. Here memory doesn't matter. What matters actually is the efficiency, how efficiently you are working with such a less memory. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, NASA's interstellar mission. Name of these spacecrafts are Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Only Voyager, this word is used, but actually they are twins. Two spacecrafts are there. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thanks for watching.